right, taking a look at the wind field here on Saturday afternoon of Hurricane Erin. Again, a Cat 5 right now. We'll be passing just to the north. You see San Juan, Puerto Rico there, and there's the Dominican Republic, all of these islands of the Bahamas here, and there's Nassau. So could certainly see some wind impacts on some of the islands in and around the Bahamas. And of course, they will see a huge amount of swell and storm surge. And then there's Bermuda here, so we're watching potentially going in between Bermuda and the mainland in terms of the east coast of the United States. Wind field will be expanding in terms of its coverage, but the actual wind speeds in the center of the storm will probably be decreasing, but the swells will be massive along the entire east coast. It could impact, again, not only from swell, but some wind maybe on the outer banks. And of course, you can see how this track is very close to the coast here. Now we're out towards Thursday, so we're going to be watching it as, again, Erin starts to make that turn off to the north and northeast. And we have to watch that closely because a track that could be off to the maybe a few hundred miles to the left or to the west would have a much greater impact along parts of the Carolinas. They will see storm surge and probably some flooding, certainly on those outer islands. But again, if it comes closer, the impacts will be much, much greater just because of the size and intensity of this storm, again, as Erin starts to make her way off into the North Atlantic eventually. So thankfully, at least, we do have a major hurricane, but one that will be making a turn off to the north and east or to the right. And that is, again, the official forecast right now, but something that certainly bears watching as we go through Tuesday and through about Thursday of next week.